In this video, you learn how to quickly and effectively create an audio player with data from a collection in Webflow. So I have been struggling for a while myself to figure out how to do this using custom audio players and paid plugins with no success whatsoever, until I found this quick and effective way to do it, which you'll learn in this video. So as you can see, at the moment I have this blank page and I have a collection list. So if I go to my CMS section, you'll see I have a collection called tracks. And here I have 4 different tracks. And basically I have a track name, I have a track URL which holds a MP3 file. Then I have a track genre in case you want to sort the collections. I have a track thumbnail and the track number. So in case you're not sure how to set up collections in Webflow, they have a bunch of different tutorials where you can learn how to do this exactly. But this video is not really about how to set up the collections, but how to create the audio player using a collection element. So now that you've seen how I have the collection set, I'm gonna go to my page, create a new section. So I just want it to be there, just below the header. I'm gonna add a container to it, and the last thing I want to have a div block. That's basically my layout. I have a section, the container, and the div block within the container. So what I'm gonna do next is add a collection to this file, just within the div block. And here I'm gonna select the source of the collection list to be tracks. You see it already started populating with data. Next I'm gonna go and use the embed element, and I'm just going to drag over the collection item. So at this point it will open up a pop-up, and here you want to insert the code for the audio player for the browser, and I'm gonna add this to the description so you can grab it from there if you want. It's just a simple code that you can actually take from W3 School, but you'll also have it in the description as I mentioned. So I'm gonna copy and paste this here. I'm gonna delete the first part because I don't have the OGG file, I just have the MP3. We want to get rid of the source and add field. You just have this option on the right top side of the pop-up. So you want to press on it and you want to populate using the track URL. So at this point you have set that variable and is going to pick up the URL from your collection. So you can just hit save and close, and basically that's it. You have your collection displayed within audio player. So your collection item is gonna be automatically populated in this format. Let's just center that a little bit. Yeah, let's add a bit of spacing, and what else could we do? Let's say we want to add the paragraph, so you can have, let's say, the name as well, the name of the track. Let's just center that as well, and you can get text from tracks, and we want to have the track name just at the top. So voila, there it is. I'm just gonna go and publish this really quickly, and we'll give it a go. We'll just test it. Let's see if it works. All right, it's all published. I'm just gonna open that up, and there you have. Let's give it a go. It works. It's all good. So there you have. That's how you do it. If you enjoyed this type of videos and would like more Webflow tutorials, let me know in the comment section. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more of this type of content. So I'll see you into the next video.